Hi, today for the new DOOGEE X95 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. So here you'll see media, call, ringtone and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes we should just slide to the left or to the right side this volume panels by this way. If you want to activate or turn off the vibration focus, you should tap on this switcher. To activate or turn off the don't disturb mode, to do it here. If you want to use the shortcut to prevent ringing, just click on the switcher to turn on or turn off this option and switch, for example, from the vibrate to mute mode. Let's go back to change ringtone and notification sounds. We should do it here in this section. Also we can change here the default alarm sound, and just activate or turn off the dial buttons, vibration, lock, unlock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, then touch sounds and touch vibration option. We should just use the switchers. And in sound and attachments we can use the volume booster for speaker. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.